In this lesson, we're going to look at how to display numbers using either a field width or a precision command to either adjust where a number is printed in a field or to decide how many digits we're going to display with a floating point number. And to perform both of these tasks, we need the library IO manip. So let's add that in. So the first thing I want to do is demonstrate how to set the width of a print field. So to do that, the first thing we're going to do is create a variable and put a number in it. Then let's display that number twice, right next to each other both times. So you'll see this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's change the width of the field that we're printing the number in using a command called setW. And we're saying 5 to set the width of the field to 5. Now watch what it does. Notice that the first number is over a little bit. Let's add it into the next number, like so. Print it again. So now you see that the width of the field is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is right justified in the field of 5 for both situations. Let's try it again with a different value, just so we can see the difference. Let's do 9 and 10. So there's how you can set up tables of information, or I'm sorry, columns of information, columns of data, or just change how data is displayed. Now let's look at another example. Let's create a number, a double. Let's call it pi. And now, oops, excuse me for that. Now let's print the value of pi to the screen. All right. Let's add some fake precision to that. Let's print it again. Notice that it still prints the same amount because that's the value that we've set. Let's set the precision of this to 6. And let's see what we get. The very same. Set precision allows us to change the number of numbers displayed. Let's try it again with 10. And this time you see that we get a much larger value. So we're displaying 10 digits after the decimal point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 actually including the decimal point. So by doing this, we can change what we get displayed in a number. Notice here we change it to 2, and now we just get the point and the 1. So set precision can be used to change how many digits are displayed in a floating point number, and then set width can be used, or set W actually, to determine how many set width can be used to determine how wide of a field we're going to print into. So there's a 10-digit precision set in a 15-character field. So those are just two examples of ways that we can modify how data is output to make our output look better for the user who's trying to discern what we're doing with our output.